What if I told you there's a phone that could rival flagship giants like the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra and iPhone 15 Pro Max, but with a bigger battery, powerful cameras, and cutting-edge design? Well, the Oppo Find X9 Ultra is here, and it promises some serious upgrades. But the real question is it just hype, or is it actually worth your money? Let's find out. Oppo has been making some of the best camera phones in recent years, and the Find X9 Ultra is no exception. It features a 6.78-inch AMOLED display, the latest Snapdragon 8 Elite 2 chip, a massive 5,910 mAh battery, and a triple camera setup that aims to set new standards. But does it really deliver? Let's go step by step. The first thing you'll notice about the Oppo Find X9 Ultra is its premium design. While Oppo hasn't officially revealed the exact weight and dimensions, we can expect something sleek and ultra-premium, similar to its predecessors. The black color variant looks stunning, giving it a clean and minimalist appeal. When it comes to the display, Oppo is using a 6.78-inch LTPO AMOLED panel with a 1264 by 2780 resolution. That means deep blacks, vibrant colors, and smooth visuals, exactly what you'd expect from a flagship. But the real highlight? It's an LTPO panel, which means the refresh rate can adjust dynamically, helping with battery efficiency while still giving you an ultra-smooth experience when gaming or scrolling. Performance-wise, this phone is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite 2 processor, which is the most powerful chipset from Qualcomm right now. With 12 GB of RAM and 256 GB of internal storage, you can expect blazing fast performance, whether you're multitasking, gaming, or handling demanding apps. But here's something to note: there's no SD card slot, so you'll have to rely on internal storage. Now, let's talk about one of the biggest selling points of this phone, the cameras. The Oppo Find X9 Ultra packs a triple camera setup, featuring a 50MP main sensor for ultra-detailed shots, a 50MP ultra-wide sensor for capturing more in a single frame. Oppo has been pushing mobile photography to the next level, and with this setup, you can expect high-quality images even in low light. The periscope zoom lens is going to be a game-changer, allowing you to capture far-away subjects without losing quality. For video lovers, the phone supports 4K recording at 30 frames per second on the rear camera and 4K at 60 frames per second on the front camera. If you're someone who creates content, this might be one of the best Android cameras for vlogging and video recording. Now, battery life, because no matter how good a phone is, if the battery doesn't last, it's useless. Oppo has packed a massive 5,910 mAh battery in the Find X9 Ultra. That's bigger than what most flagships offer, meaning you can easily get a full day or even more on a single charge. While Oppo hasn't officially detailed the charging speed, we can expect super fast charging, given that their previous flagships already supported 100W charging speeds. For connectivity, the Find X9 Ultra has 5G support, dual-band Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.4, NFC, and an under-display fingerprint sensor. It also runs on Android 15, giving you the latest features and security updates. But before we wrap up, let's talk about the price and availability. While the official pricing is yet to be confirmed, it's expected to start at around $1,000. That puts it in direct competition with the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra and the iPhone 15 Pro Max. So, is the Oppo Find X9 Ultra worth buying? If you're looking for a flagship phone with a top-tier display, powerful performance, and some of the best cameras on the market, this could be one of the best premium Android phones of 2025. But what do you think? Would you buy the Oppo Find X9 Ultra? Or do you think there are better options out there? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more in-depth mobile reviews.